sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow, so why cannot turn off the radio? Gonna fix the calendar and have that's March, July 15th, because since there's no more youth, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memories, and how every song reminds me of what we used to be. And that's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of